Welcome back to Car Explorer, the channel where we bring you the most exciting and innovative vehicles shaping the future of mobility. Today, we're diving into a creation that pushes the boundaries of luxury travel and performance, the BMW Motorhome 2026. BMW has always been synonymous with precision engineering, luxury, and driving pleasure. And now, they've taken that philosophy into the world of motorhomes. The result is a vehicle that blends modern design, cutting-edge technology, and sustainable performance in a way we've never seen before. Let's begin with the exterior. The BMW Motorhome 2026 is a bold statement on wheels. Its design language draws from BMW's latest electric SUV lineup, particularly the iX series, but with a grander, more futuristic presence. The massive kidney grille, now reimagined as a digital panel with lighting signatures and adaptive airflow technology, dominates the front fascia. Sleek laser LED headlights are integrated seamlessly, giving it a sharp and commanding road presence. The body lines are smooth and aerodynamic, crafted with lightweight aluminum and carbon fiber reinforced plastic to ensure both durability and efficiency. BMW's signature Hofmeister kink even makes an appearance in the side windows, reminding you that this is unmistakably a BMW. The 23-inch aero wheels, along with adaptive air suspension, ensure this motorhome glides effortlessly, whether on highways or rougher terrains. Step inside, and the BMW Motorhome 2026 feels more like a luxury penthouse on wheels than a traditional RV. The interior is a showcase of BMW's attention to detail, blending sustainable materials with cutting-edge technology. You're greeted by an expansive panoramic windshield and a digital cockpit with BMW's latest iDrive system, complete with a curved OLED display that spans across the dashboard. Gesture control and voice commands allow seamless interaction, while the steering wheel is redesigned in a sleek hexagonal shape, echoing BMW's concept cars. The living space is an absolute highlight. Plush seating upholstered in recycled yet premium materials provides comfort without compromising BMW's sustainability goals. The lounge area features modular seats that can transform into beds, a smart coffee table with wireless charging built in, and a 65-inch foldable OLED TV for entertainment. Ambient lighting inspired by BMW's iconic glow adds a relaxing atmosphere. And of course, everything is customizable through the BMW Connected Drive app. Moving to the kitchen, BMW has incorporated German precision here as well. The motorhome includes a smart induction cooktop, a dual-zone fridge, and automated storage solutions that maximize space efficiency. The dining area extends outward with a slide-out system, providing a spacious setup when parked. The bedroom feels like a 5-star hotel suite. It features a king-size bed with climate-controlled memory foam, a starlight roof panel for a calming night experience, and smart blinds for privacy. The bathroom is equally luxurious, with rainfall showers, high-end fittings, and water recycling technology that reduces consumption without compromising comfort. Now, let's talk performance. The BMW Motorhome 2026 is powered by BMW's latest all-electric powertrain, derived from the M Performance lineup. It houses a dual-motor setup producing over 750 horsepower, giving this massive vehicle surprising agility and speed. It accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just under 5 seconds, making it one of the fastest motorhomes ever created. The 150 kilowatt-hour battery pack ensures a range of nearly 400 miles, with ultra-fast charging that can restore 80% of the battery in just 25 minutes. BMW's xDrive all-wheel drive system, combined with adaptive suspension and rear-wheel steering, ensures this motorhome delivers the ultimate driving pleasure, even on winding mountain roads. Safety and technology are at the forefront. It comes with Level 3 autonomous driving, allowing the vehicle to handle most driving situations on highways. A 360-degree camera system, AI-assisted navigation, adaptive cruise control, and lane-keeping assistance make long trips effortless. BMW has also equipped it with solar panels on the roof. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Car Explorer for more in-depth reviews of the cars and motorhomes shaping the future of mobility.